crypto scams are evolving faster than ever in 2026. Thousands of Americans are losing money to sophisticated online fraud. These scams don't always look obvious. Many of them appear professional, convincing, and completely legitimate. From fake investment platforms to impersonation schemes, the risks are growing. Even experienced investors have fallen victim. The emotional and financial damage can be devastating, but awareness is your strongest defense. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 crypto scams targeting Americans in 2026. And most importantly, we'll show you how to recognize and avoid them. The first scam involves fake investment platforms. These websites promise guaranteed returns on crypto investments. At first glance, they look professional and trustworthy. They often mimic real platforms using logos and fake reviews. Victims may deposit funds believing it's legitimate. Soon, withdrawals are blocked and support disappears. These scams can drain thousands or even millions quickly. Always verify platform legitimacy before investing. Check reviews, regulatory registration, and official social media channels. Being cautious is the easiest way to protect your funds from fake platforms.
The second scam uses impersonation and phishing tactics. Scammers pretend to be legitimate companies or crypto platforms. They may send urgent requests asking you to send crypto or reveal private info. Even emails or messages from friends can be faked using hacked accounts. Victims often act fast, thinking they're responding to a trusted source. Once information is shared, scammers can drain accounts immediately. These scams can affect anyone from beginners to experienced investors. Always verify messages directly with official company channels. Look out for suspicious links, typos, or unusual urgency. Being cautious and double-checking communication is your best defense. The third scam involves fake ICOs or token launches. Scammers promise huge returns to lure investors quickly. These projects often look professional with convincing websites and social media hype. They may use celebrity endorsements or fake testimonials to gain trust. Investors send crypto believing they are early adopters of the next big thing. Soon after, the scammers disappear with all funds, leaving victims helpless. Even experienced investors can be caught off guard by sophisticated fake launches. Always research projects, check official sources, and verify authenticity. If something promises unrealistic gains too quickly, be skeptical. Awareness and careful evaluation can protect your investments from these scams. The fourth scam is Ponzi and pyramid schemes in crypto. These schemes promise consistent high returns by recruiting new investors. Often, early investors see profits at first, giving a false sense of security. The scheme relies on a constant influx of new money, which is unsustainable. Once new participants slow down, the scam collapses quickly. Victims at the bottom often lose their entire investment. Scammers often disappear without a trace, leaving no recourse. Always verify the legitimacy of investment platforms before sending crypto. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Caution, research, and awareness are key to avoiding Ponzi and pyramid schemes. The fifth scam involves impersonation and phishing attacks. Scammers often pose as trusted platforms, exchanges, or even friends. They send convincing messages asking for personal info or crypto access. Victims who respond may unknowingly give away passwords or private keys. Phishing links can also install malware on devices, compromising security. Even experienced investors can fall for these carefully designed scams. Always verify sender identity before clicking links or sending crypto. Enable 2FA on accounts and use hardware wallets for added security. Never rush. Scammers rely on urgency to trick victims. Awareness, verification, and caution are your best defenses against impersonation attacks.